Good morning. Grab your pack and join us for another relaxing weekend as we head out to another wonderful campsite here in Tanay. Meetup point natin, Shell Marcos Highway. So the call time was 5 a.m. Take-off time is 5:30. So andyan yung mga friends natin, the white Nissan Navara, the black Toyota Hilux. You can also see there the black Toyota Fortuner, then the white Montero and the gray Toyota Race. Let's go!
Country roads, please take me home and to the place I belong. West Virginia, Mountain Mama, take me home to the country road.
Arriving at Tanay Windmills Viewpoint, entering the campsite, refreshing na agad. The camp is full of trees and well covered in grass. Seeing this, you will know that this is a well taken care campsite. We explored the campsite to find the best spot we can pitch and set up our camps. This is a must for us, especially we will be staying here overnight. Pero kahit saan ka pumunta, it's the same. The trees are well spread out, giving you lots of shade. Exploring the camp, you can really say that nature is not a place to visit. It is a home. It's been raining the past few days kaya medyo maputik at madulas ang lupa. We decided to camp sa lower part kung hanggang saan lang kaya ng madami para hindi na rin mahirapan. Hindi na kasi makaakyat yung iba sa taas. There was a point that one of our friends need to be towed out para lang maalis siya kung saan siya na-stuck. Buti na lang, the group is well prepared. All of this are part of the experience. Kaya kahit konting ulan or bagyo man yan, o kahit sobrang tirik pa ng araw, we are here for the experience, the relaxation, the wonderful view that the campsite can give us. Kaya kahit konting putik o lumubog man ang paa namin sa putik at tubig, we will still push through. That's why all of us call this camping as a reset. A reset from the accumulated stress that life threw at us. A reset in life for us to start a new week fresh. With the help of nature that can calm and heal anything. Because nature does nothing uselessly. Konting usap muna at konting asaran sa mga nangyari. At the same time, we are already discussing saan ba talaga kami pepwesto. Madaming magagandang spots na pwede pagpwestohan. But since we are a big group, we decided to pitch and set up our camps here, near the campfire area, where there is an open space for us para matambayan namin. May spot din dito na walang puno so the sun can reach us. Syempre, malapit din siya sa wash area at CR, konting lakad lang para ma-meet natin yung basic necessities natin. Sino bang gusto maglakad na malayo papuntang CR? Reaching the campsite, hindi naman tayo inulan sa biyahe. Pero makikita nyo, hindi rin sumisilip ang araw. Kaya we first set up the awning para in case na umulan at hindi pa tayo tapos mag-set up ng tent, meron na kagad tayong masisilungan. Good thing nakikisama din ang panahon. Kaya tara, let's unpack our things. We are trying to be organized as much as possible, kaya nakabox lahat ng gamit natin. We set up the small tables for our kitchen area, pati na rin yung mga patungan ng cooler natin. Setting up the extended canopy as well just for good measures para hindi mabasa yung mga gamit natin. Now, the tent. This is a Nature Hike Village 6 which we recently purchased. Comparing it to our previous tent, mas malaki at mas spacious ito. Perfect for me and my daughter. Or sobra pa. Madami-dami na din tayong na-setup. Andiyan na yung table natin. Meron pa nga yung table runner saka centerpiece. The small kitchen is also ready. Pwede na rin tayo magluto dyan. Kaya labasan natin yung iba pa nating gamit so we can start cooking. Sino ba nagsabi na mahirap o nakakapagod mag-setup ng gamit pang camping? Ayan no, patapos na nga tayo. Halos kompleto na nga yung mga gamit natin na nakasetup. Medyo nakakalat pa yung gamit natin dito pero most of it okay na. Konting tambay muna at konting pahinga, enjoying the view, tutok sa fan at sumikat na ang araw. Akala ko may enjoy ko pa yung pwesto ko doon pero may nakipagpalit na. So after we set up our stuffs, ayan na, medyo maambon pero medyo malamig din. Parang malungkot ata yung anak ko doon ah. Or baka gutom na.
Why is your face like that?
Lunchtime, may mga baong kaming food. Also, nagluto din yung friend natin, si Mac, ng Kansi. Ayan no, perfect na perfect para sa maulang panahon. Pagtapos ng lunch, merienda agad. Ayan, may dala tayong cheese sticks. Favorite ni Elsie. Then, night falls. It's been raining non-stop since afternoon. Kaya ang sarap ng weather, malamig. Ang sarap tumambay habang nagpe-prepare ka ng dinner. For dinner, we prepared some. Merong Shanghai, merong barbecue, isaw, saka syempre yung masarap na lamb biryani ni Kuya Alan at Mac. After dinner, konting picture muna, konting tambay. Enjoyin muna natin yung weather bago tayo matulog. Then, I'll see you in the morning. Waking up early for this. Being covered by the fog. Ito talaga yung inaabangan ko. Titingin ka sa kanan, sa kaliwa. Ano ba makikita mo? Mga puno na silhouette na lang ang naaaninag mo dahil nababalot ang paligid ng fog. This completed this camping experience. Hindi ka lang nabilad sa araw or nabasa ng ulan, but also being embraced by the fog. Oh, ang bilis, di ba? Nakapagligpit na agad kami. Last look muna before we leave. Up to the end, the place is really wonderful. It lived up to its name. Ready na ulit mag-prepare para sa next camping trip. Ay, so work week pala. Walang kapagod-pagod, walang kahirap-hirap. If you enjoy what you are doing, you will never get tired of it. As the weekend ends, so was our camping trip. It was a weekend well spent. Lots of catching up was done with our friends, lots of laughter, and lots of stress was let out. As we prepared to leave, we made sure we leave the place the same how we arrived. And as all campers know, life is better at the camp.